everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how you can learn graphic design using Canva and start freelancing. Let's get into it. First up, Canva. It's a super easy design tool that's great for both beginners and pros. Canva has tons of templates, design templates and tools that make creating amazing graphics really simple. You can design anything from social media posts to presentation and logos with Canva. It's really versatile and user-friendly. To start, head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, take a look around. You will see our dashboard with all sorts of templates and design options. Pick a template that matches what you want to create. You can customize everything, colors, fonts, images to make it your own. Next, let's cover some basic design principles. This will help your designs look professional and appealing. First, balance. Make sure your design is evenly balanced with elements spaced out nicely. Secondly, contrast. Use contrasting colors and fonts to make important parts stand out. Thirdly, alignment. Align your text and elements properly to keep things neat and organized. And the last tip, consistency. Use the same fonts and colors throughout your design to keep it cohesive. Now let's create a simple design together. We will make a social media post in Canva from a template. Choose a template, replace the text with your own message and add some images or graphics. Customize the colors and fonts to match your style. And there you go, a professional looking design in minutes. Now that you know how to use Canva, let's talk about freelancing. There are lots of platforms where you can offer your design services like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. Create a strong profile showcasing your skills and some of your best designs. Start by offering services like social media posts, logos or flyers. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can expand your offerings. Here are a few tips to help you succeed as a freelance graphic designer. First, build a portfolio. Showcase your best work to attract clients. Secondly, stay updated. Keep learning new design trends and techniques. Thirdly, communicate clearly. Make sure you understand what your clients need and keep them updated. And last tip, be professional. Deliver high quality work on time. And that's it. You now have the basics to start learning graphic design using Canva and begin your freelance journey. If you want to watch more Canva tutorials, you can visit my channel. I have created a full playlist for Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if there is anything specific you would like to learn next. See you next time.